In here sounding like a damn jungle. Des, I am hearing birds, monkeys, all up in this back room here. I can't play the game no more, Des. I don't even know if you're choking or not.
I'm not choking, I'm fine.
I said I really feel your love, I need it right now. The sweetest feeling got me stuck, you be the right amount. Together we can take over the 7 seas. I could be a perfect lover, you could be my destiny. I said I really feel your love, I need it right now. The sweetest feeling got me stuck, you get it right amount. Ain't gotta worry about a thing with you and me. I could be a perfect lover, you could be my destiny.
What's up, Tandy family? It's your girl Des, and guys, today I have to be super quick with this intro because Tajay is supposed to be on playing FIFA later, which is literally right there, and I'm planning on pranking him in the other room, which you guys have never seen, which is the workout room. That's where we do our workouts, and so I need to get everything set up before he comes downstairs to get on FIFA. But basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be working out on the elliptical, lifting weights, and I'm gonna be making the weirdest noises ever so he can hear it, because he'll be right there and I'll be in the room. I'll show you guys right literally where the couch is. So basically this is gonna be a funny prank. I want to see how he's gonna react. I want to see if he's gonna come in and be like, are you okay? Like, why are you making those noises on the elliptical? Like, what are you talking about? I'm just doing my workout. Anyways, guys, if you're ready for this banger, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tune in for this banger, and don't forget to comment Team D. So you are in the workout room, which you've never seen, but I'm gonna get ready to start my workout, and then when Tajay comes down, we'll get this prank started. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Guys, this is gonna be so funny. Like, so brilliant. Okay, so now we basically have to wait for him to come down, because obviously I'm not gonna start working out and making noises if he's not right there. That's just gonna ruin the purpose of the prank. So I'm gonna wait till I hear him come down the stairs. Once he goes and starts playing his game, we're gonna get this started. Alright? See you guys in a bit.
One eternity later.
Gonna do workout. I'm in here if you need me. Hey.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yeah. I should play your game?
Yeah, but it sounded like you vomited.
What?
It sounded like you vomited.
Are you hearing things? Maybe you have to go play your game because you sound crazy. Maybe it's because I'm out of breath. I'm like...
Is that what you're doing?
Is that my breathing?
I don't know what it was.
Maybe it's my breathing. I'm fine though. Go play your game. You're good.
Okay.
Thanks for checking.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye. You just pooed yourself, did you not? You just pooed yourself.
Jay, I'm trying to get this workout in.
You just.
See. What?
Whoa, what's with the.
Yeah, I'm out of breath. I
What's
know.
with the sound effects?
You're hearing my sighing. Like.
That's, I'm not hearing.
What are you hearing?
It here sounding like a damn jungle. That's what it here sounded like.
Okay, well.
So like there's monkeys,
maybe
lions.
that's your game.
My game.
Yeah.
I'm playing FIFA.
Okay, I can't work out and talk at the same time. So if you want to be in here, then pick up some weights and do some working out. Do some exercises. Maybe it's my breathing.
How long are you going to be working out for?
It's my breathing that you're hearing.
It's definitely not the breathing. It's definitely not the breathing. No.
It is. See? I'm out of breath. I was kidding. I was kidding. Why are you actually in here?
Oh, but you said, I thought you wanted me in here.
I'm kidding. You can stay if you want, but like, just don't distract me, okay?
Okay, just, your noises, like, please, like, because I should put
No, you can work out if you want. I just don't want to play your game.
No, I did, but
Okay,
like,
well,
now I don't know if it's best because you're in here making animal noises.
It's not me. Anyway, just go.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You need to get up.
I didn't even play the game.
Why?
Because I wanted to wait to see if I'm really hearing what I'm hearing.
Can you do something for me?
What?
Can you give me some water? Because I think it's my breathing that you're hearing, and if that's
your breathing, that's a problem, you know. We would actually have to go to the hospital.
There's a water bottle in my room. Can you please get it?
Then are you feeling good? Why are you feeling good?
I'm fine, but I need water. Maybe you're hearing my breathing.
Okay, calm down. Okay, come off this. Come off this.
You're hearing my breathing. Just go get my water, please.
And you're okay.
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. Let me get it. Okay, go. It's right on the dresser.
You're at a wreck right now.
I know. That's what you're hearing.
That's not. There sounds like something's inside of you when you're making those noises.
Okay, go. Thank you. Go get my water. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm being serious, eh?
Thank you.
Something's definitely wrong with you. Wait. Am I getting ice in?
No, it's right in my room, but there's already water in it.
I caught you.
No.
I caught you.
Okay, so you don't see those people in the gym when they're lifting weights and they make the noises?
You just made a donkey sound. That's not you doing that.
That's all you're hearing, right, man?
Yes, I am hearing birds, monkeys, all up in this back room here.
Okay, you know what? Can I just have my water, please? Thank you.
That's the type of, yes, you see it's funny. That's the type of sounds you're making.
You sound crazy, actually.
Like, are you actually okay? Are you okay?
You sound
crazy. Because like working out has you making some unusual noise up in here.
You sound crazy. Go play your game and don't worry about my workout.
I can't play the game no more. I don't even know if you're choking or not.
I'm not choking. I'm fine. Go play the game, please. I appreciate the concern, but go play the game.
I'm sitting right here because. Are you using this?
Tajay, you're good, man.
I'm gonna sit right here. Honestly, I think you should just rest. You worked out enough.
We have these, but we don't have a bag. What am I supposed to use?
Just air punch. You don't need to.
Okay.
Air punch, like, you know. You don't need one.
Is this how people do it? Like this?
No, don't. What was that?
How am I punch?
Then I think you might be overworking your heart, you know? Stop. Can you stop? Hey, okay, stop moving for a second.
Undercut?
Can you stop moving for a second? Those sounds are not like good sounds, you know?
Fine, I won't use them.
You can't just chill for a moment.
Look, I'm uncoordinated. You know they say jumping jacks are very good for you. Very good for your heart. Very good for your health.
That's what I thought too. Before you start making these weird noises.
What are you talking about?
Destiny, stop.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about, Destiny. Your noise
Please,
right now is...
Please.
I'm not
my
going.
whole workout is being ruined.
Well, I'm not going. I'm not going.
Please. There's not enough space in here, as you can see. You can do a workout after I'm done.
Do you wanna go to a doctor tomorrow?
No, I don't want to go to a doctor.
Yes, you do need to go to a doctor, Des. You're not making human-like noises. You understand? Like, it's not normal, Des. Des.
What could you possibly need? What could you possibly need?
Is it me? Is this a normal thing and I just didn't know
It
for
must
how
be
many
you.
years?
It must be you.
Des. Oh my god, you know what? No, let me not laugh because there could actually be something wrong with you. No, there could actually be something wrong with you. I apologize for laughing. But what's going on here?
There could be something wrong with me?
There could be. There really could be.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just playing. It's a prank! I pranked you, but you know what?
Your hands are freezing.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's a prank, but
You making those sounds is a prank.
Yeah, working out and making weird noises to see how my boyfriend's gonna react. It was a pretty funny reaction, but like, you don't know if there's something wrong with me?
I thought there was extra animals I just did not know about.
When you said you hear birds and monkeys.
Because I'm hearing everything. Parrots, all that.
Yeah, it was just me, your girlfriend, making noises while she's working out. To prank you. Alright guys. Tajay thought that his girlfriend turned into a bird, a monkey, a parrot.
Everything.
What else did you say?
Every animal. Every animal. You hear something noisy.
I was getting my workout in, making the weirdest sounds ever. And honestly, I didn't even have a clue what I was gonna say or like what the sound was gonna come out with my mouth.
Like, what?
But it just came out. It was like, ah! But guys, it worked out. He thought I was a weirdo. Probably
Wait, do it again?
Guys, if you like,
you have issues.
I know I have issues. It's fine. It's fine. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tune in with your girl, okay? Comment Team D, because we got him.
Comment Team T.
Don't comment Team D.
Just cuz.
Because we got him.
Just cuz.
Alright? A little funny prank. Alright? And tune in for the next banger.